Can I get photos off destroyed or damaged iPhone from an iTunes or iCloud backup flexibly? If the device cannot be recognized by my computer, now, go over this detailed guide to learn how to retrieve photos from broken iPhones in 3 easy and simple ways, and hope it helps you out. Part 2. How to get photos off broken iPhone with Doctor for iOS. Do you want to get pictures off a broken iPhone from an iTunes backup flexibly and smoothly? Just give Mobican Doctor for iOS a shot. This applied program lets you recover iOS data to your computer without covering the existing data. How to transfer photos from broken iPhone to computer via Doctor for iOS. Step 1. Run Doctor for iOS on your computer. Step 2. Scan for all the pictures from iTunes backup. Step 3. Get photos off broken iPhone. Part 3. How to get pictures off a broken iPhone from iTunes backup. Connect iPhone to computer, open iTunes, select iPhone icon. Go to Summary, Restore Backup. Disable Find My iPhone if prompted. Choose Backup and click Restore. Part 4. How to get pictures off iPhone with broken screen from iCloud backup. Go to iPhone Settings, General Reset, Erase all content and settings. Erase now. After the reset, your iPhone will restart and show the setup steps to you. Follow its on-screen instructions to set it up. When you get the Apps and Data screen, select Restore from iCloud Backup. Choose the files, including the photos, to fetch them.